Want to know how to change the background in Trello? You would want to change the background in Trello as a visually appealing background can boost your mood and help you stay motivated. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to change the background in Trello. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, tap on the Trello app on your screen. Then select the board you wish to change the background. Now tap on the three-dot icon at the top right corner of your screen. Likewise, again tap on the three-dot icon on your screen. Furthermore, you can see the background option right below the workspace option. Tap on it. Here you have two options. Either you can change the color or add a picture to your background. Select according to your preference. So this is how you can change the background in Trello. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.